Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. You are signed into the child account and the family organizer is ready. Go to Account, Microsoft. Calm and open family settings. Once there, select the child profile you want to change. Explain to the organizer why age matters. Adult status removes child restrictions and allows full privacy controls. Next, choose the option to change relationship or request adulthood. Make sure to follow prompts precisely, so Microsoft records the correct birth date and begins the verification process. Once done, you continue with verification. The family organizer submits the change, and you follow any on-screen steps to update birth date. If Microsoft blocks direct editing, you must start identity verification. This often requires uploading a photo ID or confirming a small payment to verify adulthood. Make sure to use clear images and matching names. Ambiguous scans delay approval. Also check email for verification codes and enter them promptly so the system can process the adult account. To finish, verify the family dashboard shows the account as adult and check that age-restricted features are now available. Then sign out of all devices and sign back in to refresh tokens and permissions. Once refreshed, double-check store, Xbox, and privacy settings. If verification fails, don't panic. Retry with clearer ID images or use the alternate payment verification method. If problems persist, contact Microsoft support and reference any error codes. That helps them resolve account flags faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.